If you skipped the last lesson, then I welcome you. And if you didn't skip, well, now you should have the Adobe Creative Cloud desktop app and After Effects installed on your computer. And now you know how to open After Effects and how to close it down. In this lesson, we're going to explore the main interface of After Effects. So we'll take a look at all of the menus, the submenus, the contextual menus, and all of the main panels. By default, when you open After Effects, it will also open this optional home screen. Now, I will show you how to disable this home screen in a future video, but when you first get started, I really encourage you to explore this as there are some really useful learning resources on this page. If you click on Learn in the left sidebar or where it says Go to Learn, that will open up a page of useful tutorials. These are all in-app tutorials, meaning when you click this, Adobe After Effects is going to open and you can just follow along right in the application. To get back to the home screen at any time, just click on the home icon in the top left corner. Below the in-app tutorials, you'll find tutorials that open up in a browser, and they often include project files so you can follow along with the project. And when you're ready to close this home screen and go into After Effects, you'll see that this home screen is its own window. So all you have to do is just close it down and After Effects will be right behind it. This is the After Effects interface. At the very top are the main menus. Below the main menu is the toolbar. And you'll see as you hover your cursor over each tool, there's a little tooltip telling you the name. When you see a little arrow in the bottom right corner, that indicates there are multiple tools nested under that tool. So you just click and hold and the little menu will pop out. Let's look at the main panels in the After Effects interface. So we currently have the project panel selected. This is going to be where you import and organize all of the media files and assets used in your After Effects projects. This big space in the center, this is called the composition panel. When nothing is open, you can create new compositions, but this is the main window where you build and preview animations. Below the composition panel is the timeline. The left side is going to be where you add and manage layers, and the right side is the timeline editor. This is going to be where the playhead is, where you scrub to animations, add keyframes, and more. Throughout the After Effects interface, you'll find helpful search bars which are relevant to whatever panel or area that you have selected. So there's one in the project panel, there's one down in the timeline, you'll find one in Effects and Presets, there's one in the top right corner, and if you go to the Help menu, there's a search field. So if you're looking for a specific effect, when you select it, you'll see the pointer will actually take you to where it is in the menus. When you click on a panel, you'll notice a little color highlight around the edge that indicates that that panel is currently the active panel, and you can only have one panel active at a time. If you ever find yourself trying to do something in After Effects and it's just not working as it used to, or maybe you're in the menus and something's grayed out and you're not sure what's going on, chances are you just need to have that panel active in order for that setting to work or to be available. If you look at the very top of the interface window, you will see the current version of After Effects, and next to it will be the name of the current open project. And that little asterisk next to the name indicates that this project has unsaved changes. Whenever you see the little hamburger menu or there's 3 horizontal lines, be sure to click those and explore them, as you can find some useful settings in those, and they are going to change depending on what menu you are clicking on. Also, when you see a little header, such as in the project panel here, if you right-click or control-click, you'll often have some customization options. Right-clicking or control-clicking is going to be very useful for you in After Effects, so be sure to explore the contextual menus. Some tools or buttons that are easy to miss but very useful. At the very bottom of the project panel, you'll see a set of buttons, and the same if you look below the Layers panel in the very bottom left corner of the interface. And of course, below the composition window, you'll get very familiar with these tools. And don't miss the slider on the bottom to zoom in and out of the timeline. Last but not least, one of my favorite tips. If you hover your cursor over any panel, you don't even need to click the panel. Just hover your cursor and tap the grave or tilde key that's in the top left corner of your keyboard. Tap that key and the panel will go full screen. This is really useful when you want to preview an animation and you want to get rid of everything else. Just tap the grave or tilde key and this works on any panel. So now you know when you open After Effects, this home screen opens automatically. On this home screen, there's a great getting started tutorial. There's also a learn section with in-app and web-based tutorials. And to get out of this home screen, all you have to do is click on the new project button or just X out of the window, and now you're going to be in the After Effects interface. And in the next lesson, we're going to be looking at the workspaces, which is the arrangement of panels.